Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nini and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you some of my newest purchase from Chanel and Dior. So this is the video to follow up my shopping vlog from Chanel and Dior before. So a few weeks ago, I had the chance to go shopping at Chanel and Dior, and I do have a video about my shopping trip. So today unboxing will be all the items that I was purchasing on that shopping trip. So the first item I want to show you guys today is from Chanel. Yes, so this is an SLG. To be honest, I had already took it out of the box. I had been using it for a couple of times, and today while I put it out trying to do this video, so I do have some update on the wear and tear on this piece as well. So this is just a Chanel card holder. So yes, I picked up this Chanel card holder at Chanel's while I went for the bag a couple weeks ago. So I was having a shopping trip there. So this is the white colors in caviar leather. To be honest, I'm gonna show you guys some of the disturbing things that I just figured out a couple minutes ago. Oh my god, it made me so sad. So I picked up this card holder along with this bait a few weeks ago, probably 2 weeks ago actually. So I picked this back up, and then I just need something that's really small and tiny to go with this. So I picked this one. Okay, so I have only used this for like 2 or 3 times, and then I put it back in the card holders. I put it back in the dust bag and inside the box, because why? This is the white color. I do not use white color every day, so but here is what happened today, just now, when I pull it out and trying to take a look at it. So there is already some color transfer. Okay. So there's already some color transfer on it. Oh my god. Look at that. I don't even know how that's happened, because the whole time that I am using it, just for a couple of times, and it stayed inside the handbag for, you know, maybe just a couple hours, and it's what's inside this bag. I just can't believe it's already managed to get dirty, and I tried to get something to wipe it off, but it seemed like it doesn't work. So I'm kind of sad right now. So now that I know white colors, light color in general, is not really made for me. Oh my god. Yes, so I just picked it up from the store, and now I already managed to beat it up. So this is one of the pieces from the 21A collection as well. Yeah, so that's what happened to my first unboxing. I mean, a fake unboxing, but yes, that's what happened to it. I'm gonna put it up there. Second unboxing, yay! So this is one of the pieces I picked up from Dior while I was shopping there, and again I met a really cute and amazing essay. Oh, I love their box. They have such a cute box. So judging from the side of the box, you should know that this is something quite small. I mean super small, but oh, I can't open it. Here's it. Oh my. Why? Okay. Oh, look at that. That is just so cute. Ooh. So nice. So the good part of shopping luxuries is really feel the luxury every single time you unbox an item. That's why lately I don't do unboxing on some of the LV product, because it doesn't give me the luxury feeling. It just feels like something I grab out in Target. Anyway, so this is what I got from my shopping trip to Dior. So this is a pair of earrings. It's just so cute. Oh my goodness. Let me show it to you guys. So it's half the CD with some crystal. Is it crystal? Yes, it is crystal. There is a pearl, there is a heart shape, and a star. Oh my god, it's so cute. I just dropped it. Again, it's just so cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna put it on right now. Yeah, so I picked this up because I have been browsing their website, and this is what I like to see. So when I came in there along with tons of other handbag, I told my essay, so I just want to pick up something cute for my first time shopping at Dior. And I show her the picture of this that I saw off the website. So she just pull it out to me, show it to me, and I was like, I am taking it. I don't have to try it on because I already know how cute this is gonna look on me. So yeah, skip the try on. I'll just take it home with me. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at that. Do you like what you see? Because I like what I see. So that is for the first unboxing from Dior, and this is the second one. So this box is a little bit bigger. Let's see what I got. Again, ooh, so good. So nice. So this is another piece of jewelry, of course. If you've been watching my channels, then you know I like to buy things in collection. So this is something that really close to the pair of earring. It is a bracelet. Oh, look at that. So this is the pearl. So this is the CD in crystal. This is the star. This is the heart. So they are actually from the same collection. So that's why I picked this out. I just like to complete it as a set. That way, when I wear it, it just feels so much cuter, and it feels like it's go together. And it is. Oh my god, look at that. So a lot of people still asking me, why do I only buy fashion jewelry? Why don't I buy like fine jewelries and stuff? So I think fashion jewelries are really cute. It's really fun to look at, and I just get bored with this so quick. And I feel like I cannot get bored with my fine jewelry. Even if I do, I still have to wear it. Otherwise, I cannot just put it aside. I'm gonna kill myself if I just put it aside like that. And I just think that fashion jewelry, they came out with more of, you know, design to it. They can add a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and it could be really cute and fun. Whereas most of the fine jewelry that I see, they are getting more of like a classic vibe. I think I will invest in fine jewelry. I do have fine jewelry, but I do not buy fine jewelry that often. So yes, I really love Dior fashion jewelry. I think they have a really cute style and good craftsmanship. So that's it for my video today. I was able to go home with something super nice from Chanel and Dior while I was shopping there. For the Chanel card case, to be honest, I am super sad right now. I can't imagine using it in the future and see all the color transfer on it. So that's why I know for sure, like 100% sure, that I am not gonna go for the classic flap or the white Chanel boy. No, I'm not gonna go for any more way back from their collection. I cannot imagine getting the $6,000 worth of money turned dirty. So no, I thankfully that I was getting the card case in the first place, so that I know for sure not to go for that color in the future. But on the other hand, I am really in love with the fashion jewelry pieces that I got from Christian Dior. I think it's just so cute, so fresh. I just love how it look on me, and I just love the craftsmanship that they put into this. So to be honest, I am looking to invest in more in their fashion jewelry in the future as well. So what do you guys think about all the purchase that I just unboxed today? You guys think I could save my card case at all? Maybe? And do you like the fashion jewelry from Christian Dior? Leave me a comment down below. Thank you. So if you guys like my video, please consider to give me a thumb up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.